The nVent King Innovation DryConn DBT-600 combines a traditional tan wing with a UV and impact-resistant silicone-filled tube for superior connection. First, strip wires to the appropriate length and splice wires using the tan wing. It can handle wire combinations ranging from number 22 to number 8 gauge wire, then insert U-splice into the tube. Its snap-fit lid provides strain relief, while the silicone fill allows DBT-600 to be waterproof, corrosion-proof, and direct bury. The DBT-600 is perfect for use in low-voltage lighting and in 2-wire decoder systems. And remember, it's UL486D listed and rated for up to 600 volts.